California is a state on the west coast of the United States. It is a very big state, from Mexico in the south up to Oregon in the north. There are 3 big cities in California: San Francisco in the north, San Diego in the south, and between these two, Los Angeles, or LA. Los Angeles is a very busy city. Nearly 4 million people live there. There are lots of different districts in the city, places like Santa Monica on the coast and Pasadena in the east. Some of these districts are very rich. This is Beverly Hills. It is a famous area in the north of the city. This street is Rodeo Drive. It has a lot of expensive shops. LA, especially the Hollywood area, is the home of the movies. One of the reasons for this is the good weather. You need good weather to make movies. Hollywood is also the home of the movie studios. This is the headquarters of Sony Pictures. Sony make the Spider-Man and the Men in Black movies. They do not make many movies in Hollywood today because it is too expensive. In fact, they make movies in Canada, in England, in Eastern Europe, and sometimes in Australia and New Zealand. But the movie industry employs lots of people in Los Angeles. About 250,000 in total. Many actors, writers, and directors live in the city. And the studios also employ a lot of agents and lawyers, too. Hollywood does not make many movies anymore, but it makes a lot of television programs. In fact, programs like CSI and Glee, which are set in Las Vegas and Ohio, are actually made in Hollywood.